Read now, Grade 2. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, students of Grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine. I'm also good, Alhamdulillah. I want to say all of you a warm welcome in our online class. Today is the first day of our online class. As you all knows, I'm your teacher, Miss Sobia Jamshed is here. I'm your English teacher, I'm your maths teacher, and also your science teacher. Firstly, I'm going to take the lecture of English. As I have introduced myself, my name is Miss Sobia Jamshed from Qura Public School Junior Branch MTC. I want to say once again welcome in our online classes. Our online classes are going to start from today. I hope you all will do participate in our online class. Our today's topic is dog meets wolf. Students, it is chapter number 7 from our Read Now book. The name I will also repeat once again, dog meets wolf. As we have done the reading and explanation and the back exercise in the class of this chapter, now we are going to do the exercise number 1, class assignment. Our today's class assignment is exercise number 1, words meaning. As you know, today is Thursday, 8th April 2021. You all will open your English literature notebook. You will maintain your page same like this. Firstly, you will write the date and then topic, Thursday 8th April 2021. Then you will write the topic. The topic is the dog meets wolf. Exercise number 1 is words meaning. So you can see on this screen here are some words like this. Under the caption of words, number 1 word is kind, chase, thin, meal. First word is kind. Kind mean loving. Loving, as you all knows, your mother is very kind for you. It means she is loving for you. The meaning of kind, loving. Chase, to follow. To follow someone. Chase mean to follow someone. Thin mean slim. Thin, slim. Number 4 word is meal. Meal mean food. Meal mean food. You all will write these words on the classwork notebook. It is our classwork and it is the next page of our words meaning. Now words meaning number 5, serial number 5, word is mark. The meaning of the mark is sign. As anyone have any mark on their faces, on their body, on their hand, on their skin, so it called mark. Mark mean sign. Number 6 word is tales. Tales, tales. Tales mean stories. Number 7, kennel. Kennel mean dog house. As you all knows, the dog house is called the kennel, and the kennel is the name of a dog house. Number 8 word is envy. Envy mean jealous. Envy mean jealous. Number 9 word is danger. The meaning of the danger is risk. R-I-S-K, risk. Students, there are 9 words meaning. You will write these words meaning on your English literature notebook in a very nice handwriting with a sharp pencil. You will draw the margin line, then you will follow the pattern as we have taken the start of our first chapter, the greedy dog. You will follow the pattern, how you will maintain the page and how you will write the date out topic and these words meaning. Okay students, it is your class assignment and it is also your home assignment. You will learn these words meaning by your heart. Inshallah, tomorrow we will meet with our new topic, with our new lecture at the same time. Till then, Allah Hafiz students. Have a nice day.